Hello guys and welcome to yet another video. This week we're going to be installing the Widebody Kit, and next week I'm going to be installing the camber arms that I got from MG Solutions. You all probably saw it on Instagram, Mentally Responsible. Make sure to follow. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and let's get with it. Okay, so I have already riveted the rib nuts on the left side. Just want to make sure that everything is going to fit how it's supposed. Now I have re-drilled the other overfender, the same places like the left one, and I have already marked it with a Sharpie so I know where to drill. I'm going to start drilling, and after that I'm going to show you how to use a rib nut gun. Alright, so I have drilled all the necessary holes on the top and the front part. There are 3 down here, but I first want to fix everything up there, and after that I'm going to drill the bottom ones. So the tool that we're going to use, this is a rib nut gun. So it's not using rivets, it's using rib nuts. We're getting this, which is like the thread, but we're going to get the 6mm one. It's a reverse thread. So we just tie it in. Then you get this, which is also reverse thread. Get everything tight. Okay. So then we get you thread it in, not as much of course. So you thread it like this, and then slide it in the hole. And squeeze. Which I need 2 hands for this. so now we have it riveted there, and now you have a nut in your fender to just put the bolt in. Easy as that. Okay, now I'm going to continue with doing the other ones. Okay. Okay, so I forgot to film almost everything I did today. So now I am drilling all the holes for the rib nuts. I have cut plenty of space for the tire not to rub. Also, I have fitted my seat. So I did quite a lot of work, and I didn't film almost anything of it. But yeah, now I just need to continue with fitting the rib nuts themselves.